What's up, J Duff?
I don't know, man. I want to talk about this hurricane, man.
What about this hurricane?
What you think was going to happen?
What I know gonna happen. This is what I know is gonna happen. All right. Technically, you know what I'm saying? Mom just passed a couple of weeks. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
This is my mom come back with vengeance. You know what I'm saying? Forget the hurricane, but she's gonna come back with this thunderstorm. That's what I'm worried about. Mother Nature. My mother is nature.
Mother Nature.
So, everybody around here running around getting gas. The hell you getting gas for? You ain't driving out of town.
No, you're not.
You ain't driving to the damn store.
No, you're not.
You damn sure ain't driving to go pay no bills.
No, you're not.
So why would you go give these motherfuckers y'all money for some damn gas?
We ran out of water in Walmart, but there's water over there in the Walmart on Silver Star.
Listen. How your mama used to do back in the days. Fill that motherfucker tub up with water. Clean that bitch out good. Fill the tub with water. Fill them damn cups, them water balls all. Let them freeze up. You got a little foam cooler. Get you a bag of ice so that motherfucker can melt into water. Everybody says, "It's water out there, it's water out there." Shit, swallow y'all saliva, goddamn, it's water. Shoot. Next, like I said, everybody getting this gas. I ain't worried about getting no gas. Shit, all y'all got the gas for me. I got the gas machine. I know how to degas vehicles 3 different ways. So, thank y'all for loading up for me. I'm just saying. Mother Nature working.
Hey,
That's Thank you right there talking.
Thank you.
AKA Ski Boat.
Ski boat.